Yes, the concrete of our showroom buildings is being poured. The concrete of the floor that will be here is ready. At the moment, there will be an office building of 83 meters here, and the subject is ready. The latest 60 square meters of single-story prefabricated
Yes, friends. The trusses of our building were laid on the subject. Our steel lovers have been laid and now our heart metal tiles have started to be laid slowly. Our roof is slowly closing now. Yes. Let me show it like this. Let me show it like this. It was completely fixed to the ground with steel peppers, and its flats were taken. As you can see, when we went inside this new building, our electrical installations were pulled. Currently, it is being done with an insulating coating. The doors and windows are installed. This is how it started with the insulating coating. The paint is starting, the coating is done. The door window has been installed. Your paint materials are not here. Applause. We are starting to paint slowly now. We are starting to paint our building, inside and out.